Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you about how to record video calls on Zoom, Skype, and Google Meet. Step 1, set up the meeting you want to record. Step 2, click the more icon at the bottom of your screen and select record on the computer. Participants of the video call will be notified that they are being recorded. Step 3, to stop the recording, click more at the bottom of your screen and select stop recording. How to record video calls on Google Meet. Step 1, set up the meeting you like to record. Step 2, click the three dots at the bottom of your screen, then select record meeting. Step 3, now click start recording. Recording on the window to the right. Step 4, finally click start to start recording. Participants of the call will be notified that they are being recorded. Step 5, to stop recording, click stop recording on the windows to the right. How to record video calls on Skype. Step 1, set up the meeting you like to record. Step 2, at the bottom of your screen, click record. Remember to notify the participants of the call that you are going to record the meeting. Step 3, when you are ready to stop, click stop recording at the bottom of the screen. Hope this guide will help you. Please leave a like and subscribe this channel for more videos and guides like this. Thank you.